The origins of Valentine's Day, a love story through time. Valentine's Day, a celebration of love and affection, takes us back to ancient Rome. It's a day rich in history and tradition. The story begins with Saint Valentine, a Roman priest who secretly helped couples wed during a time of war. Emperor Claudius II had banned marriages, believing single men made better soldiers. Despite the risks, Valentine continued to perform marriages in secret. His defiance was an act of love, one that wouldn't be forgotten. Eventually, Valentine was discovered and imprisoned for his actions. It's said that he cured his jailer's daughter of blindness, sparking a friendship. Before his execution, he wrote her a farewell message, signing it, "From your Valentine." This heartfelt note is believed to be the origin of Valentine's cards. Valentine was executed on February 14th, commemorating his sacrifice. Over time, this day evolved into a global celebration of love and companionship. Today, we exchange gifts, cards, and spend time with loved ones, honoring the enduring legacy of Saint Valentine. It's a testament to the power of love, transcending time and history.